Stop! You're so drama, Han. Look at that. What is the drama? Pala nila, nilagay ng maayos yung kung sino man yung ano doon.
Good morning, Philippines!
Pen Diesel. Pen Diesel. Pan Diesel mo diha. Good morning, everything. Good morning, guys. So, ngayon umaga. Nagtitinda ako ng pandesal this morning. Lumabas ako, sabi ko. Pandesal. Naglakad-lakad ako sa ano tawag dito, gulayan ko. Naglakad-lakad ako. Iwan ko bakit. Naglakad ako doon. Ngayon lang. And then, nagsurvey. Iwan ko itong bibig ko. Sabi ko, Pandesal mo diha. Hindi. Parang nablangko ba yung utak ko. Nagpapandesal ako. Pagtingin ko sa kapitbahay, andun yung mag-asawa dun. Nakatingin sila sa akin. Nakatingin talaga yung kapitbahay, guys. Kitang-kita ko, no? Nahihiya talaga, guys. Gumagano, tumatakbo ako dito natawa yung kapitbahay. Iwan ko talaga. Iwan ko, bakit? Naghanap ata ako ng ano, yung parang Pilipinas style ba na maririnig mo 4 o'clock in the morning. Meron tayong bread galing sa Filipino store. Iwan ko ano muna yan. Hindi ko alam. Pero initin ko to. Yan, kain tayo. Galing Filipino store ito. Iwan ko kung anong pangalan ng bread na to.
Thanks a lot for having us on. God bless you both. Go and play your own round of golf and then...
Filipino bread talaga.
Tonight on Fox News Channel. Without you, we don't have jobs. So, but you didn't fail us. I don't think any of the emails that were sent to friends at foxnews.com actually passed the test of being able to be put on there. But that one on UP that sent us a picture of anything, and they might have taken us up on that. They had those liberties, so.
As you could, but I have a feeling it was too little too late on that one. But I hope everyone, and it's already Labor Day, so we're having fun.
Jen, on behalf of the both of us, though, we just did a segment with Paul and Dean. She's got this reverse sear steak. And so I said, dude, I put it quick down. So, we don't get a chance to do enough of this, in the COVID version.
Where people are just trying to go to restaurants, sit outside, they're bothered, restaurants are being harassed. We've seen it now also with former Democrats who have joined the Buffalo movement and decided to leave their city because it's getting a little bit crazy. You see in restaurants to step in again, and now they're having to deal with this level of enforcement harassment.
I never pee on nothing. I just always go in there. I didn't knock nothing over. Sometimes I lie on the beanbag.
What's wrong with
How come your
me?
mama don't let you in her room no more?
He want food. I don't know why he want food again.
So because I didn't eat, because I didn't like the food Daddy gave me.
There's something wrong with him. Hello guys! So ngayon, mag-ano tayo guys? Nag-ano lang ako. Anyway, sinuot ko ulit ito kasi maiksi kasi ito. But anyway, so ngayon, maglilinis po ako doon. Maglilinis ako sa furniture na dala ni Tammy the other day para malagyan natin ng mga tualya at iba pa, diba? So, ito yung linisin ko. Panglinis ko. Diba? I don't know kung anong pwedeng pero gusto ko lang maano itong mga Okay guys, ito yung mga furniture sa isang drawer na ilagay dito. Yung at saka ito, transfer natin dito. Transfer natin yan mamaya. But for now, tubig lang yung inano ko guys. Nilinis ko sa kanya. It's been a long time na hindi ito nalilinis. Sa bedroom ni Bianan. So yun yung mga furniture na sobrang magandang furniture. As in handmade na pinagawa talaga. At saka set talaga ito. With that and other furniture. So yun. Kaya hindi namin itatapon. And kung kilala ninyo yung asawa ko, hindi din yun mahilig magtapon. So especially na mga ganito galing sa parents niya at saka ganun. So hindi talaga yan mangyayari. At saka gusto ko naman tong mga furniture ni Bianan. So kahit matutulog ako dito, kitang-kita ko para akong nasa bedroom ni Bianan sa isang bahay. Okay lang yan. Hindi naman nakakatakot. Paminsan nakakatakot lang kapag gabi. Yun, pero sabi pa ni Tami, bakit ka matakot? Kilala mo si Mama. Kilala ko siya, oo. Ako yung mahilig manakot sa kanya. Yung buhay pa si Bianan, ako yung mahilig mangnakot. Kapag andun siya sa bathroom or sa bedroom, paglalabas siya sa bathroom, ganunin ko siya. Yun, makukulaps yung si Bianan sa katarantaduhan ko noon. Tatakot-takotin namin. Stop! You're so drama, hon. Look at that. What is the drama?
I do. I know it's too late for you. And this is what you do.
Yes.
My little wife is drama. My little wife is drama queen.
You know what, hon? I don't even start with me, hon.
What? We already started.
Yeah, whatever you do.
Whatever. You just mean. You just mean.
Ubuan ka karon. Hold on, the TV should be moved to that thing first.
Unplug it, please.
You have to move it slowly, slide. Nag-harvest ako ng tomato, guys. Harvest ako ng tomato and more tomato it is. It is. So, ilagay ko lang siya sa kasi hindi ko naglagay ng lalagyan. Masakit yung mata ko, so stop muna tayo sa cellphone at laptop kasi yung mata ko is sumasakit na talaga siya. Kukunin lang natin yung tomato sa labas, guys.
Remember what happened? The guy was using the oven to heat the apartment, whatever, something crazy. That's why I used to go crazy with Mama. Like I come home at 4 o'clock in the morning and find the oven open and the oven door open. You know, and then something happened. What if you know, like a cat climbed in there and even trying to be careful, if they can catch fire, it'll run around the whole house trying to like get away from the pain, and it'll light every section of the house on fire instantly.
Yeah, that's it. Wow.
It's not like they know enough to go jump into a tub or something.
Okay guys, andito kami ngayon. Andito ako kanina lang ako dito sa sa sasakyan. Naghihintay ako kay Tami. And then ngayon, sabi niya, bibili lang daw siya ng... You said you're not getting that big. It's like
No, I said I
inches.
get a 25, but they only had a few inches. No, 25 foot, but they only had it in 50 foot because anything smaller was in light grade wire, and I need a heavier grade. It's got to be 10 gauge.
Holy shit. And then you spin, plus what did you get? I see you get
And
something.
a concrete patch. And
I see this,
and
what
the
is that?
staples. Concrete patch, staples.
That's a big one.
Well, I got some tubes of shooting patch.
Okay.
Hey, look at the wire. Like, oh shit. I said, oh, this one's cheaper. I look at it. Yeah, it's because it's 14 gauge. I know that wire
to
to
get
low.
the cheaper one?
Because here's the thing about wire. If you don't use the right gauge, it's pulling too many amps through it, and the wire heats up and catches on fire.
So how
Air
much you
conditioner
spend
uses a lot
total
of
here?
amps. 208.
Nakauwi na kami guys. So ngayon nagmarinate ako ng pork and then i-grill ko lang siya. Before tayo magmarinate din ako ng guys, salmon. Ito yung mga ni Tami binili kahapon. Yung pumunta siya sa tindahan. May salmon dito. Maganda itong salmon na to. Yun lang, si Tami andun sa basement kasi delikado guys. Itong bahay pala, pwede siyang masunog anytime. Itong bahay, pwede masunog anytime. So itong bahay, kung hindi nakita ni Tami, masusunog talaga itong bahay kung natagalan. Kasi may bubong sa dingding ba, sa wall, doon sa basement, kung saan yung air conditioning. Galit ba si Tami? Galit. Let me check. Hey. Why you sound like angry?
How do I sound angry? You say, hey,
All that wire it's no electric, huh?
Right.
Okay. So guys, this is what happened. That electric guys, it's open. Open pala yung electric na yan. At saka ang dami pa namang mga foam, oh. Sus, may nilagay na si Tami doon na nag-spark daw siya. Nag-spark, right? So, look, nasunog siya, guys. It's burnt. Nasunog siya, guys. So, dahil dito, muntik na masunog ang bahay. Dahil, look, tignan mo naman ito, oh. Tignan mo, oh, papel, mga foam. Doon. Hindi pala nila nilagay ng maayos yung kung sino man yung doon. So, it's been years since we got this house, huh? So, it's luckily doesn't burn. This house burnt really fast. Did you see that, guys? Foam papers. Like, can you imagine? Nakakatakot. Oh, Ginoo ko. Sabi pa ni Tami, ayaw talaga niya itong gawin, pero no choice. Sabi pa, I don't have a choice. Or else, itong bahay na to, masusunog na to anytime. Nag-spark daw, sabi ba, spark. So, nilagay niya yung parang SOS ba, nilagay niya yun doon para lagyan niya ng foam, para walang hole, para walang butas, kasi doon pala yung snake. Akala namin, nakita na niya lahat yung butas, pero may butas pa pala. So, nilagyan niya ng foam, yung pinakita ko sa inyo, paglagay ni Tami doon, nag-spark daw ng malakas, sumabog. So, adoy, Ginoo ko, sabi pa niya. Open pala, hindi pala nila inayos yung wire para hindi siya open para safety. Ginanon lang nila yung wire doon, walang nilibot-libot. Sus, Ginoo ko, binili yung bahay, din masunog lang. So, kaya pumunta kami Home Depot. Marinate tayo guys, para makapagluto. Then, magluto din ako ng rice. Isda, yaon. Bukas maaga kami, sasama ako kay Tami, mag-impake, dalhin yung furniture dito. Yaon, and yun siya, i-mix natin para sure. Yung iba hindi na anuhan ng seasoning. Alam nyo guys, I don't know kung masarap ba to, pero nilagyan ko siya ng oyster. And then, kaunting soy lang. Paminta. So, hopefully, masarap ito. Ito guys. Sana okay. Okay dokie. What? Mama's done. Mama's done cooking. It's time for to eat. And then guys, yung barbecue natin is done. Yun na siya. Yun. Masarap talaga siya tignan. Pero tignan natin kung ano yung lasa. Tapos na din yung salmon natin. Parang pangit tignan. Yung asawa ko is very busy. I don't know what you busy over there.
What?
Huh?
You don't know what?
What are you doing? Ay, karaoke. Yeah, excited, honey. Excited. We're gonna eat?
Maybe deal a couple more wires.
Are we gonna eat?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do the food. It's not a laptop.
Need a mixer.
Need a mixer for that? No.
Yeah.
No. It's not on. Oh, it's on. Oh, no, it's not. There's no red. Okay.
There's not seeing a microphone.
Okay, guys, let's try the pork. Tommy is still ano.
You like this? You like this? Step on it, and it locks. Then you just kick it, and it opens.
It's so good, guys. Hello? Hello?
Pasta?
No, hala, this is good. I'm gonna keep using this seasoning. Oyster sauce. I'm gonna do Filipino barbecue, han.
As soon as possible so they can return to their normal lives. I thought Simone Sanders actually did an interesting angle.
And matulog kami ng maaga dahil bukas maaga kaming o alis sobrang aga. Maghakot ng furniture ilagay doon, and then yung isang furniture para sa bedroom. Yun. So, yun yung anuhin bukas. And, yeah, kita-kits tayo bukas, guys. And, thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know kung itong TV is maging on. Kasi for now, nilagay mo na yung TV doon sa taas ng furniture. And then, kasi may ilagay dito. Bumili ako ng Palmolive na shampoo pala, guys. Yung sa Filipino store. Bumili tayo ng Palmolive kasi gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yan! Ay, si Lloyd Cadena ba? Ay, God. Ang bilis ng ano, no? Hindi natin malalaman kung kailan tayo mawawala sa mundo talaga. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Hindi nyo palagi nakikita si Tami kasi may mga ginagawa. So, ngayon, hindi ko alam kung ano mga ginagawa niya. Pero see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Si Nay-Nay, honey.
Hi, guys.
You see? This is going.
Goodbye.